Hi everyone, my name is Indrajit Nayak and you are watching Credit Minister. So giving you the brief description of the several things like what you are going to get from this channel or who I am or why you should subscribe me right now. Just stay with me and in the end of the video I will going to give you some of the proof of my sources of income, right? So before heading towards the main motive of the video, let me clarify you one more thing that I am not a professional screen recorder, right? So instead of going behind my writings, right, which is not good at all, right? So instead of going in that line, just go behind the strategies which I am going to share with you in upcoming videos, right? I'm just to clarify this thing to you guys just because in the upcoming videos you will going to see this white screen type of thing a lot, right? So as I said, my name is Indrajit Nayak, right, and I am from India. I have completed my college last year and gave almost 1 year to myself to learn new things and successfully applied them onto me. And believe me or not, it was me who changed my life by making more than $30,000. Those $30,000 is not important. What is important is I have made those $30,000 from just $0. I have $0 in my pocket and I have made more than $30,000 in just 1 year. Though this seems to be less, but believe me, now everything works passively. So I don't have to work anymore just to optimize the things in between whenever it is necessary. You don't have to work regularly. You just have to come here on a demand basis, right, whenever it is necessary. And the best part is that this $30,000 is continuously increasing. I have tried almost 10 to 20 internet income sources from last 1 year and have successfully built my own little empire. Don't worry, I will show you the proof too of what I have made, right? What you are going to get from this channel, right? What you are going to get. Almost everyone who is watching this video is going to expect the answer of this question from me, right? So giving you the short answers, let me tell you one thing, that I have bought tons and tons of courses from those internet gurus and mentors and learned thousands of strategies from them, which is more than $100,000. Believe me or not, they will be worth of $100,000 which I have learned from them. I will give you guys a brief guide on what I have learned and applied in the last 1 year, right? So I have done things like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogging, trading on cryptos and also on stocks, right? Cryptos and stocks. I have my own saving portfolios. I have also done the ebook writing kind of thing, selling digital products, and also done PODs, print on demands, right? And this is not the only list. I have done much more things than that, right? But I can't list all of them in this one single video, but I'm definitely sure that in the coming videos I'm going to share all those strategies and all those things with you guys, right? So I'm not here only to give you the theoretical knowledge, but also going to teach you with the practical knowledge too, with proof. I'm going to share you some of the insane strategies which will help you a lot with the digital or internet marketing kind of journey, right? So here are the proof of some of my income sources, right, which is more than $15,000. You can see that in the screen, right? I'll do my best to upload at least 2 videos in a week, so don't forget to subscribe Credit Minister and also press the bell icon too. Till then, it's Indrajit Nayak signing out. Bye.